What's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Gilbert. Alright guys, welcome back. It's Gilbert once again with another one with Ratchet, Rice Rockets. I said I'll be back on the Integra. We had another video. We're going to be swapping these out because if you notice over there, it is all clapped out. I mean, I could just go ahead and spray some of this on there and put it back on, but I'm going for a different look because it's black. This is, I mean, this one right here too, it's been flappy, little Flappy Bird. So yeah, we're gonna take this off. Probably just, you saw the last video where I replaced the door handle. Yes, it's still primered, but it works. I may just pull this whole thing off and do it, but first I'm gonna pull this off and clean all this crap off. We are gonna have to pull this out. I did make a video some time ago, like a couple years back, where I put this in an RSX. So I'm gonna do it to this car as well. But when you buy this stuff, it's always sized a little bigger. It's not an exact fit. That's why you pull that one off, match it up, overlay it on top, and then you cut it out or however. Yeah, but this one, just take your screw out. So what I'm going to do is go through it with some acetone or some goof off alcohol or whatever you, oh man, whatever you got that kills adhesive. But I'm going to try to clean this up real nice. So I got it all clean and prepped. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad like that. But of course, I'm gonna do the hot boy stuff and connect this new stuff. Now I got it all trimmed to what I think is gonna work. Now I don't know if I should pull the door panel off to do it off the car, but alright, I totally botched that one I just did. but it's still really sticky. But I'm gonna give it another spray and then I'm gonna put it on that. I don't know what happened, but the measurements weren't adding up. So I just went ahead and took it off the door. I think it'll be easier. Hopefully. I think I may have one more shot at this. Wish me luck. Its flaws, but for doing it myself, I'm pretty sure if I do this a couple more times, I'll get super good at it. But it just has that pop. This one, I mean, I messed it up at the get-go. I mean, that's no biggie. I can just probably order another set, do it again. I mean, I think I might have cut it a little too much there. 20 bucks. Overall, I'm pleased. I mean, at the end of the day, if this was for a customer, I would not let it leave like this. I'd have to explain to them what I did. And I'd have to order another set. But I think if I did this for a living, I'd have this material on hand and a lot of it. So I'd probably just rip this off. I mean, from right here, it looks super cool. But if you get like real close to it, it's got its flaws. But yeah. I'll put them back on the car, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so now it's I had to close it out. It got kind of dark on me pretty quick. I didn't keep track of the sunlight, and time. So this is shots in the daylight of it being complete. Like I was saying, I've never done, really, this is my second time doing it, so I think it came out pretty good. And of course there are some areas where I could improve on, but I think I might end up ordering me another set and perfecting it. But for now, That looks amazing compared to the first time. Same thing with this one. It looks pretty slick, but don't say myself. But for the money invested in this, I mean, I've got $20 in this. If you like that little cinematic, it's the first time I ever did a cinematic anything. Yeah, but if you liked the way it came out, give this video a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. You know how it is, YouTube. Keep it motivated to keep doing more content, hopefully. I mean, my goal would be daily content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Probably something here in the near future. Maybe doing a field pond. Who knows? See y'all.